Can we foam milk with OutIn device? I guess we can, because it's the system. It's like a vending machine, has a pump and heat the water, and the formation of the filter looks like a dolce gusto capsule. With that thought, I have tried all the powder milk I found in the market, even for babies, but I end up in that conclusion. Don't try it. I failed big time because the pressure of the pump is ideal for espresso and also the temperature. Therefore, when I put powder milk in the filter of the device, the water passed with high speed, couldn't manage to dissolve, a white water came out and left the mud inside the filter that I had a hard time to clean. I even had to use special cleaning powder for calcification and to take out the smell of the milk. I didn't give up though, and I continue to try with other techniques. Watch all the video and you will find out how you can make milk-based beverages anywhere with OutIn device. When I failed, I start from the beginning. When we are going for an outdoor activity, we want to travel light and we don't have space in the backpack to bring all the gear that we possibly need, heat source, a pot to make the milk and carry milk in the fridge. I came to the conclusion that I have two options only: condensed milk and instant powder milk. With those two options, I could use the hot water of the OutIn device without coffee and mix and make my milk. But the water from the device is coming out in 95 degrees temperature because OutIn device is made for espresso. Therefore, I had to make some tests to find out how I can balance the water temperature to come out at 65 to 70 degrees. That is right for milk. If you have a thermos with you with hot water, add a portion with a little cold water. When you press the button 2 seconds to start, you will see the light indicators to blink. When the third LED stops blinking, that means that the water has 65 to 70 degrees. Then press once to stop the procedure and then put it on top of the instant powder milk and press 2 times fast for the device to extract all the water from the chamber. With that technique, I managed to control the temperature, but what about the foam? Well, if you have with you a mixer, you can mix either the powder or the condensed milk and you can create a very nice foam. But you have to be careful not to spill everything outside, because according to the power of your device, maybe you make a mess. So try to start on the bottom in order to mix all the granules, and then you move slowly up and down, make a smooth cream on the milk. The rest is a matter of recipes, what you like. My favorite is flat white. So if I use 8 to 9 grams of instant powder milk, extract water 65 to 70 degrees temperature, I mix it to create a very nice and smooth cream, and then I use the OutIn Nano, which can fit 80 grams, and I can extract a double espresso on top of my milk. The result, as you can see, is very nice. Alternatively, you can make a Cortado or a cappuccino. Take the plastic cup that comes with the device, add 2 or 3 single portion of condensed milk, add the equivalent hot water, which is a 1-to-1 ratio, mix the milk in the cup. Then you have 2 options. Either you serve the milk on top of your coffee, or you extract your coffee inside the cup using a capsule or the single filter from OutIn device. If you don't have an OutIn device and you want to see how it works, you can watch OutIn device video in my channel and find out how you can extract coffee with the 3 different filters that OutIn has. In any case, with these techniques, you can make easily a milk-based beverage, wherever you are, with OutIn device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to register. Press the bell to get noticed for new videos. See you soon.